These are the two typical things, the typical things that you want to do when you want to find a buyer. But before you go ahead and buy and trying to look for the buyers, I do recommend you to understand which retailers fit your products. Because if you're going to start to connect with retailers from, let's say, just as an example, Gucci, okay, it's a bad example. Let's take Kate Spade. Most chances they would not buy from you because either they have their own name only selling on their store, or they sell famous name only. You want to go to those retailers that fit your price and also fit your category, of course, but also fit the atmosphere. Atmosphere means that if you walk into their store, and you don't need to walk into it, because if you live in Australia, in UK, you can just YouTube that. I'll say it in a second, I'll explain in a second. But if you walk into the store and you see a lot of different brand names, then you know that this is what you're looking for, because obviously they're buying from different vendors, small one, big ones. Don't be afraid of this misconception of buyers buying only from big companies.